Good evening, Nancy. It's currently Thursday, and I'm going to see you tomorrow morning. This is a summary of what we did. So this is Q Skill for Success 3 and the Psychology of First Impressions. So that is track 2, I believe. I sent you the files on the transfer. You may have like a zip file. You can just open them easily on the Mac. Otherwise, there is a program called Unzip. It's free. You can open zip files. So, first impressions give us a good idea of what a person is really like. No, it's not true. We often make errors because of first impressions. Yeah, pretty much. Read the statements and listen to the lecture, which is the same now. And let's see if it's true or false. First impressions aren't important because we don't remember them. No, it's not unimportant because, well, some men don't really pay attention to that, some do, some women don't, etc. If a person is happy when we meet her, we will often think she's happy all the time. Yeah. But it's a bit naive, I would say. Our first impressions give us an accurate picture of the whole person. I disagree. We judge other people's behavior differently from our own. Meaning, like, if there is a problem in the coffee shop and, you're in a hurry, etc., you become rude, you're gonna find an excuse. Well, it was a bad day, la la la. But if somebody else is doing it, you may not feel very sorry for this guy. People often make mistakes about what they see in the first encounter. People assume that their first impression tells them about the whole person. If we think a person is happy when we first meet her, we will think she's also friendly. If someone else does something negative, we think it is because of his personality. 5, if we do something negative, we think it's because of our personality. No, it's a situation, okay? If we do something negative, we think it is because of the situation. So, we're gonna just try to work on that for a while and discuss the questions in a group. In this lecture, the speaker says we often think that the way a person behaves when we first meet him is the way he behaves all the time. From your personal experience, do you agree or disagree? Well, I disagree with this stuff because I know it's not true, but some people may agree. Have you ever formed a first impression of someone that was wrong? Explain. May have been wrong, but I don't remember. Yeah. Anyway, there's something here. Presentations and talks often begin with a short story or anecdote. The story is usually an example of the topic the speaker is going to talk about. And now, making inferences means to draw conclusions about information that is not stated directly by using information that you already know that is stated directly. Making inferences while listening can help deepen your understanding of what you hear. And we're going to do the track number 5. Okay. So it's a short video because we just focused on that. You have a good evening, rest well, and I'll see you tomorrow morning at 9. Take care. I just wanted to let you know I am in between. I have a U in between 2 courses. Okay. So let's see if my computer is going to allow me to be on time. Let's see. Talk to you tomorrow morning. Take care, Nancy.